Imagine you're moving to a new city. Instead of loading everything into one big bulky truck, you pack each category, books, clothes, kitchenware, into neat label boxes. That's exactly how containers work in software. They neatly package everything your application needs to run. Docker is a tool that makes building and running containers simple and reliable. It packages your app with everything it needs: code, library, settings, no matter where you run it, laptop, server, or cloud, it just works. Think of it as consistent delivery box for your software. Why containers? Containers are fast, efficient, and isolated, unlike virtual machines. They start in seconds and don't need a full OS. Plus, they keep apps from interfering with each other. Scaling with containers. So, when traffic grows, you just spin up more containers to handle the load, but manually managing dozens of or hundreds of containers, that's where things get tricky. Container orchestration tools automate the hard stuff. Tools like Kubernetes or Docker Swarm schedule, scale, and restart containers when needed automatically. Kubernetes, or K8s, is the industry standard for orchestration. It organizes container into pods, distributes them across server, and keep them running like smart factory manager. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.